A silent revolution is underway, not in the streets, but inside silicon chips and across digital networks. For millennia, humans stood alone as masters of complex thought. Now, for the first time, we are not alone. We've created artificial minds that learn at a speed we can barely comprehend. Most people see AI as a helpful tool, a voice assistant, a movie recommendation. But this is a profound misunderstanding. Today's AI is mastering cognitive skills that have defined human value for centuries. Writing, coding, designing, strategizing, persuading. While we focus on daily life, this new intelligence is quietly seeping into the foundations of society. The storm is gathering, yet the sky appears clear. The true impact isn't a dramatic event. It's a slow, creeping tide. Automation happens incrementally. A task here, a team there. By the time we notice, we may already be submerged. Humanity's history is a series of revolutions. The AI revolution may be the biggest yet. The danger isn't malice, but indifference. AI doesn't hate or want to destroy us. It simply optimizes relentlessly. Human jobs, skills, and meaning could become collateral damage. We're building gods without understanding their nature, handing them the keys to our world. The revolution isn't coming. It's already here. The only question, will we awaken before it reshapes our world beyond our control? The AI takeover isn't televised. It's happening quietly in the background across thousands of companies. The real change is subtle. The replacement of human cognitive labor, a graphic designer's years of training. Now AI generates hundreds of logos in seconds. Marketing teams, legal reviews, customer service. AI handles these tasks faster, cheaper, and often better. Companies quietly adopt these tools, streamlining operations and boosting productivity. Human workers aren't always fired, they're simply not replaced, or their roles are redefined until the human element is gone. This process is accelerating. What was science fiction 5 years ago is now a commercial product. AI is no longer confined to narrow tasks. It's becoming a generalist, automating aspects of almost every white-collar job. Skills once thought uniquely human, creativity, strategy, emotional intelligence, are now being simulated, sometimes surpassed. Because this transformation is piecemeal, it's hard to see the bigger picture. But connect the dots, we're systematically replacing human cognitive functions with scalable, efficient artificial ones. The long-term consequences for jobs and the economy are only beginning to emerge. To grasp this revolution, we must understand what sets today's AI apart. Old AI was rule-based, powerful, but brittle and unable to adapt. The breakthrough came with machine learning and neural network systems trained on vast data, not programmed with rules. Show an AI millions of cat photos, and it learns catness on its own. This shift means AI can discover patterns and solutions no human has seen. The speed of improvement is staggering. An AI can read all medical research in an afternoon, or generate new art styles in minutes. Progress is exponential, not generational. The model that struggled last year now writes poetry, legal contracts, and code. We're dealing with a dynamic, evolving intelligence. Limitations today are temporary hurdles. Any job involving information, pattern recognition, or optimization is now on the table for automation. We've unleashed a universal learner, and we're only beginning to see its capabilities. The AI of 2026 is an infant compared to what's coming. This rapid, self-improving quality is what makes today's AI so disruptive. The boundaries are moving faster than we can adapt. The question isn't if AI will change everything, it's how soon. For most of history, work meant teams, each person a specialist, collaborating to achieve complex goals. The AI revolution is unbundling this model. Complex projects are now split into tasks, handed off to algorithms. A marketing director today can use AI to write copy, design visuals, analyze trends, and optimize spending, solo. The team of 10 is replaced by one human curator and a suite of algorithms. The value of being a cog in a large machine is vanishing. Stable careers as specialists are evaporating as AI masters specific skills. The new value, knowing which questions to ask AI, integrating outputs, and providing final human judgment. The manager of people becomes the conductor of an AI orchestra. The AI revolution automates cognitive labor, the foundation of the modern professional class. What once took a floor of office workers may soon be done by one person with an AI subscription. This is the great unbundling, rewriting the rules of work before our eyes. Every new technology sparks the same question. What about our jobs? Optimists say AI will destroy some jobs but create new ones. AI trainers, prompt engineers, ethics specialists. Pessimists argue this time is different. AI targets cognitive work, not just manual or clerical tasks. If machines can think, write, and strategize better than humans, what's left for us? The truth is more complex. We won't face a single job apocalypse, but a continuous, unsettling period of change. Some jobs will vanish. Data entry, basic bookkeeping. Others will be radically transformed. Doctors may spend less time diagnosing, more time on patient care. Teachers may become mentors, not lecturers. Entirely new professions will emerge. Digital personality designers, synthetic reality architects. The central problem, speed and scale. Can we retrain millions fast enough? If the gap between disappearing and new jobs grows too wide, we risk unprecedented social and economic disruption. The challenge isn't just job loss, it's the pace of adaptation. The future of work depends on how quickly we can reinvent ourselves. At this crossroads, several futures are possible. First, the optimistic AI augments humanity, empowering individuals to be more creative and productive. Scientists accelerate discoveries, artists explore new forms, and AI handles drudgery, so humans focus on strategy and empathy. Second, slow disruption. AI integration is uneven. Some industries transform quickly, others lag. Inequality rises, job security erodes, and anxiety grows. Third, rapid displacement. A breakthrough leads to mass automation across all industries. The economic system collapses, and we must rethink the purpose of human life. None of these futures are inevitable. The AI-assisted future requires investment in education, retraining, and policies to share benefits broadly. Slow disruption is likely if we drift without a plan. Rapid displacement, though dramatic, can't be dismissed. The path we take depends on choices about regulation, safety nets, and the purpose of our economy. We are the architects of our future. The blueprints are being drawn today. The outcome is up to us. We often see technology as an unstoppable force, but that's an illusion. Technology is shaped by those who wield it. A hammer needs a carpenter, a reactor needs an operator. The real story is the interaction between tool and user. The problem and solution is us, not AI. History shows we adapt. New technologies force new social structures, ideologies, and education systems. The AI revolution demands even greater adaptation. The core, lifelong learning. The old model, one career for life, is dead. In a world of rapid AI change, the only skill is the ability to keep learning and reinventing. Mental flexibility and emotional balance will matter more than any single technical skill. AI gives us immense power to cure disease or create chaos. The crucial question, what do we want AI to do? The future will be shaped by our wisdom, foresight, and compassion. AI forces us to ask, is this an opportunity or a threat? See AI as a rival and you'll cling to the past, resisting change. See it as a collaborator and you'll harness its power to do more, better, faster. The writer who embraces AI overcomes blocks. The doctor gets instant second opinions. The entrepreneur builds global businesses with tiny teams. This is the mindset of the surfer, riding the wave instead of fearing it. As a society, do we choose fear or curiosity? Do we ban and restrict or invest and adapt? The technology is the same. The outcome depends on our collective response. Would you use AI to do your job better? Would you encourage your children to learn it? AI is a mirror, reflecting our choices. It will show whether we rise to the challenge or succumb to fear. We are living in a hinge moment of history. The decisions we make now will echo for centuries. AI isn't just another tool, it's a fundamental change in the operating system of civilization. For the first time, we're building tools to augment and even replace our minds. One path. Technology serves humanity. This requires investment in lifelong education, redesigned safety nets, and ethical alignment. It's the harder path, demanding foresight, cooperation, and long-term thinking. The other path in action, letting AI develop unchecked, optimized for profit, risks mass displacement, surveillance, and deep inequality. This path requires only our indifference. The future isn't written. There's no guarantee of utopia or dystopia. The outcome depends on us. Choices made today, in boardrooms, governments, and public debates, steer tomorrow. Will we treat AI as just another tool or as a force to be managed with wisdom? Our adaptability, foresight, and compassion will define our legacy.